You know how every year, Samsung releases a new Galaxy flagship and it's like, cool, same phone, shine your box. But this time, however, the Galaxy S26 Ultra feels different. Samsung is finally listening and addressing legitimate problems. These updates have the potential to significantly improve your daily life. Imagine evening images that are brilliant, vivid, and noise-free rather than blurry messes. They've kept the killer 200MP primary sensor, but increased the aperture to f/1.4 from f/1.7 on the S25 Ultra. That's around 47% more light, clearer details, better colors, and significantly less noise in the dark. Night shots will seem like a real jump. Improved lens coatings eliminate irritating flares and ghosting in bright situations or city lights. And the never-ending yellow skin tone issue is finally resolved. People appear natural, with no odd filter effects. Now power! Samsung just introduced the Exynos 2600, the world's first 2nm smartphone processor. It is coming to some S26 models. Ultra will probably remain with Snapdragon in most regions for consistency. Early tests reveal it's neck and neck with the most recent Snapdragon. Significant advances in CPU, GPU, and AI. Smoother gaming, faster everything, and an incredible on-device Galaxy AI. No more cloud waiting. Instead of the previous version, they are integrating Perplexity AI for real-time online replies, structured information, and truly practical advice. Because it's built into the Samsung system, it manages apps and settings more smoothly than Google Gemini. Bixby may finally become the helper you use every day. The one that could change everything for you. The new Exynos modem 5410 takes satellite connectivity to the next level. We're talking about complete voice conversations, video calls, messaging, and satellite-based location sharing. Not just emergency texts anymore. Hiking in the mountains, at sea, or in a completely lifeless zone on a road journey. Your phone remains connected. This is real-world life-saving information for emergencies, travel, and remote work. No more no-signal worry. Software-wise, there is one UI 8.5 day view here with smart saves such as Adaptive Data Saver and Network Battery Saver. Furthermore, the Camera Assistant allows you to pick 24MP as the default shooting option for the ideal quality-to-file size balance. Design, fresh vibes, and classic white and silver, but the standout is a rich, deep purple that will steal every promotional photo. Black variants have a consistent black frame with no silver mix, a discreet but bold design, and built-in CH2. 2 magnets for MagSafe style charging and accessories, including quicker wireless up to 25 watts. However, if you use a standard case, make sure it is MagSafe compatible to get the full effect. Pricing alert. Component costs, memory, and chips are all up significantly, so Samsung is still figuring it out. We might see a little increase, perhaps $100 more. Ultra costs roughly $1,400, or they absorb it to stay near S25 levels. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.